Mwancho murigere bwigitasendi ya kisi hot na wakirembia mona singe ncho kwenderera gusanga amwane into kira chingaki na anene mono kwenderera kwimanya side ya gasi nokorekana kurwa ase orugongo rwa gusi. Today ni gonde gasinge ncho yuko kwanira igoro ya amangana akorekana kurwa State House a president ase a direct abagoro yobunchureria gati ebintu bire bitato ebiko bya bere biko gachi abantu amongst ebintu bire president yakwana today n'ebintu bya bere biko chanda gati abantu bande mu especially abasaye bari batabwati chigasi bari batagete ensi ya Kenya ebe kie kurawa asenchira ya bene tete ko kwanira igoro yokurusiwa kwa imechango kurasi chikanisa gose mukono onde bwensi wegasi ya serikali kokora imechango ase chikanisa andonsi arange abantu bandi nabara igubobe abandi nabo bari buya batindete ko kwanira igoro ya imechango kurasa bana siasa nande konye president otebanga public servant tabase ko kora mochango onde bwensi andonsi tigende kikeberi chiko lakini asnare aiba go kwanera go chinde go kwanera ropa dai asenyencho wastage of money chabere chiko korekana resources funds cha developments people misuse money kotareta magenderero ase bakora chigasi cyabo osase bachore bakugamba ndete go kwanera igoro emichango ase serikali ya William Samuel Ruto nere serikali ya beire ya rekanina anene mono yekubwatirana abana siasa bange bakwanda chikanisa kere e wiki umwana siasa kwende kanisa Jumapili Jumamosi akore michango Sunday Saturday every Sunday Saturday and every region akonyo abantu bwati michango abana siasa umwana siasa ore constituency yae ere county ya Kisii ogendo chokora umuchango e county ya Nyamira e constituency tari yae reasoning nganelinga mubunge we constituency iyo ya Nyamira county tayo ase serikali bono kurukisi county mubungo wiga okurukisi county gose oruka Kakamega county asinge nchare into government ya William Samuel Ruto ogenda gukora umuchango Nyamira county asinge ncho e constituency iyo mubunge bwense meyo tari gukora keke tari go support serikali. We have seen wastage of money na resources gochia wetere michango. Let's calculate. In fact, check iga already umubunge kera kugenda those constituencies taringa nega ya gutumika sometimes ni agutumika endege kugenda sayo achokora umuchango. Every Saturday and every Sunday the misuse of money wetere chindege gotarire ndege because yesterday ni wete in the Senate kiko complain about ababunge akonyora mubunge akorwa edi asara drive egali 40 minutes lakini ere oimuka instead of driving 40 minutes otumeke ndege ya tumeka less 10 minutes kwenda asara igabo asagenda. So wastage of those resources if the president otebanga tigabakatishe and let's be a rule onde bwensi uratugikane ka kora emichango chikanisa let the law take the action. I mean egende kenge wese kobanga nebintu togokwanira gaiga biere ase injoko kya bantu. If I remember ngakech campaign mega gaiga we had the government yari gukwanira igoro ya abarai murayo ndebwensi mwana seso ndebwensi gakugende kanisa tabese gukora michango tabese kurubesa tabese kwanda kuruchibesa gukora hongo yo erinda kiruchukura. We saw mubunga osomona sasa kugende kanisa imukicibesa oteba ne sadaka nkuru. Let's see mubungo imukogende kanisa Ota abantu akani we mechango gokora. Now what I'm doing, I'm giving a sadaka. And now, ekene ndu chigotware a challenge ucha ase lichikeriga lyabekirwa anene mono wetera ase ensemo ya a president litikolia rero kati bintu biri abeka ase litikolia rero. Kiriki what challenge neki yoka. Retire at 60 years, they what issue, they what problem. But the problem ase kuchikotoka bono. Na asichibe sechi. Of course, mbao chikurume chango. Mbara babote mitweme kongu. Na nembara ba konyekire because konya batanje teme chango bari kubetereriwa. Kyaba konyire. But there are those bari bote mitweme kongu. They are going to church barubuna 10%. Barubuna vuna mocha barubune sadaka. And talk about question because in the Bible but everything give 10% karwe a tithe, you can give a sadaka offering as a kanisa. So they are going to defend themselves kurugabu wa mondoga enda usine kanisa muchango le ngoro otamanjena achikuba kwani lakini niko muchango tikandwe sadaka. You see, because the government we care how neke go deal with this situation unless igega bari ko ngina ba Kenya na ko ngina ba Kenya inere ntere mo ko ngina ba Kenya asengenjo when you say that you have to come up with a solution, okay, on how to deal with inyoranga most of these na abana siasa ama the public servants abande babo niko bale church members, yeah, kwa na bale kanisa they have to give a offering and a tithe. So the government should look on a way if nkore a tithe yane and my ebintu birinkonyora goso musharo rinkonyora a tithe ekoro 10%. You see, ne sadaka boigo sadaka nero na bokora buno kurwa eri kwa nyora. But let's see gosaba bunga begamba gotoka chikanisa. You see, this culture wasted a lot of money. Specifically, Kurase County ya Kisii. Let me talk about the county ya Kisii, asa njungo kwane Kigusi, and the county of Nyamira. As a group of members of parliament, kwa ba kaniramo, ba kwendamo. You see, kono no mubunge, akore constituency yae, odiga babunge bali bagosona na barabare into government ama the same regime babe kanamo bagenda to Nyamira county barure Kisii county bana mbaka Nyamira county bawe Nyamira county bagenda into constituency y'umubunge uri tari support the government uri tari gosona namo bagenda bakora umuchango in that region omuntu obwate microphone maybe yosomero sunu mubungori yani mont takes the advantage y'umuchango but kuchigokora chichi program che chiri abangete. In the latest instant ya korekanete account ya Kisii kurwase bunge ya bumachoge borabu me account ya Kisii e constituency ase musike Baronga kugamba. Barongo is an ODM MP. Patukarera umabunge Kitutu Chache North and South Mugirango MP. We saw even Honorable Chavet Nyakundi kawa somera Barongo in his own constituency. No wetero mochango patago somera umabunge we constituency yo. Mbaka atabanga bono ngomonto mwobo riruba ryo skari wa forest iga bono iga. Paka esege gatokia because the other side batete ko defend ne yende bakoramana. Atera manganane byandara babekire ekiripo ekiga kya babunge barenge kanisa gochanga. The way barenge kanisa bari gochanga. Again the way ba take politics into church, they waste the resources and they bring enmity into church.
barongo ganyankwane nje no mchumbe bunaye tinjo mchumbe nende mbwate kerongo mune national treasury ekiama na lero mnatorega iga mongi weta wa mraba inu mnaba machoge ngomo mroyo mongo chikobeka KWS kinkorua ebina bie binto totagete sawa mongi wete. That is the only way. That is the only way. Intumuna gusitora nyare okonyeka. Intumuna serikali. We have done our best in making sure nga ligo lilio buoyo liarure 7,500 mpaka 2,500. O maana go seyaya. Sawa mumro ni chuocha. Karibu sana. Gendo ikaranse kero kerikiana Alpha umumro ye karanse kero kikiana wono iga. Asanti. Umumro itaisa ini. Tigai karansabu. Intubune serikali. Intutu reduce ligo lilio boyo mpaka 2,500. Ayabana abantu baminto omuwako eta ligo lilio moto lino wechibano chibeisa ilenga chialenge miangapi bono ngo moto lino na chibeisa ilenga 100 si ndio igo serikali ya temile. That is the reason ligo lilio chibando liachirense na itungu na bachumbe ngo etitole lichiko obwoyo wira nalaria na litura nyale konyole ndagire nyinge ligo lilie chibando lichambaka shilingi 50 eyuere buyango sere bobe.
So if the government is going to deal with this situation, first of all, let's start with the president himself. The president attends every Sunday omochango kachikanisa. The deputy president attends emechango chikanisa different. Let's talk of last Sunday. The president, he was at Naroko County, Gregorian. You see, the deputy president are in Bomet County. So the two batumekire chindege kuchikwanda bose bakwenda. The two batumekire money, resources. Now we waste a lot of money kwanda chikanisa kureme chango. Kwanda chikanisa ku waste a lot of money because if the president is coming today here, tents, you have to hire tents, seats, food, security, fuels, everything. You see? That's the president. You come to the deputy president. We have been hearing of some members of parliament, but in this regime, in every region, you'll see Kisi County, if you go to Western, there is another MPs. Yante were allegations. Every Sunday. So that the government. So that is the president and his deputy. We see a lot of MPs. An MP or Nyanza or called Mechango Kambani in churches. An MP or Mechanga Sate Okora. The reason why we don't know. So the government should see on how to deal with this situation and on how to eliminate this character totally from this government. This is not the first time we have seen the government saying of no public servant is allowed to conduct emichango in churches in various occasions. This is what we have been hearing. But the main reason those people emichango chikanisa na nina wati victim. So let's see on how to deal with this situation. The government should mean it and should work on it and come up with a solution on how to deal with this situation. Heavy penalties. Choko kwena nabantaba. If you are a member of parliament and indeed there are full evidence you have gone against the law, come up with a solution. We call for a by-election. This is how we can end this. But a word of mouth can't do anything. A word cannot do anything. Na wasikie hivyo. Hii ingine ya 60 years of retirement, 60 years kwanza ni mingi. Nitakuja tuongee hiyo. You want someone to work up to 60 years. Na Mungu amesema miaka ya mtu kuishi ni 70. Wacha mtu aende retirement at 50 years na but ongeza mshahara. If someone is earning 50, mpatie akuna hata 70,000 but afike 50 ama 55 years. Hawa watu wengine mtu akifika 60 years hata hana nguvu ya kuenda kufanya kazi. And yet you have abasayebali sukari pataibu tigers. And nevinde vinge. Thank you very much. Biamono chatumira na sebiro vine nchenko kwa Dennis Kunto.